Hello and good afternoon. I am Okocha Happy Marcel and this is my channel. A few weeks ago, we witnessed so many attacks against some ethnic groups, especially in Lagos, during and also before the voting. And a lot of people have been demanding for justice as to what happens to a particular group of people, especially the southeastern part of the country. So many people have been saying that this is the reason why they have been crying for secession, why the Igbos are demanding for secession. And after some weeks of the election, a lot of people have been thinking that the political war is over. And what is the political war? A lot of people were prevented not to vote for their choice because they are not in Southeast, they are in Lagos. They told so many of them to go back to the eastern part of the country to vote. They told so many of them not to come out outside if they don't want to vote for their own candidate. So many things went wrong. Some persons were killed, some were stabbed, voters were intimidated, all because they are not Yoruba people, they are Igbos in Lagos. And still yesterday, one of the markers that these same people from the southern eastern part of the country, Igbo, says spare parts in Lagos, got burnt. Who did this and why are they doing this? It is of no news that they want to frustrate this set of people so that they will go out of Lagos State because they have been intimidated by the presence of Igbos, their sources and everything. But people are asking, are we no longer one Nigeria? If you ask some persons not to demand for their own country, not to request for secession, and later you start telling them to go back to their own state, to go back to their own series in the same country. What do you think about this Igbophobia, if I am correct? Take a look at the video, how the market got burnt.
A distant night shot from an eyewitness shows the moment a blazing fire swept through shops and other properties at the Akere Auto Spare Parts Market. The inferno, which reportedly started at midnight, lasted into dawn.
Right now, it's not safe to be here late in the night. The firefighters have done the bits. The firefighters have done the little bits they can do. Okay? Just left. Thank you very much.
Daylight reveals the extent of damage done. Even before firefighters and other emergency respondents arrived, goods turned into heaps of debris. Shocked shop owners watch helplessly, a situation already late to salvage any valuable item.
Everything is spoiled. I was here 4 o'clock early in the morning. This is the shop that my brother is using to pay my school fees. And then they just came from nowhere and bought everywhere. Is it good? They say want one Nigeria. They say want one Nigeria. Look at me. I'm looking so tattered. I came here 4 o'clock in the morning just to come and quench fire. Still yet, not quench fire. Fire service came around after 7 to come and quench fire. After 7, after everywhere is burnt down totally. That is when fire service they came to our aid. Nothing is remaining. Look at people's markets. Look at them. Nothing is remaining here. Everything is burnt down. So what do they want us to feed on? Where do we start from? The government should do something about this. It's not good. They have rendered so many people useless here. So many people, nothing came out from their shop. Even one seed, one thing did not come out. It's very, very painful. It's very, very painful. Very, very, very painful. They should do something about this. Very, very painful. They killed one security person in this market. As early as 4 o'clock, they were shooting guns up and down. They killed somebody, an elderly man. That's the person they killed in this taxi park. They could not even spare his life for his family. Somebody that did nothing to them. They came here and burnt everything down. Look at the shops, everywhere is burnt down. Nobody brought out one single thing.
I own 3 shops here. They render their family useless, not me.
3 shops?
3 shops. All this thing you see is my goods. They're my goods. We have loaded one vehicle to scale it to in condemn. Condemn here. This one, the guy is coming back to look. So, this is where we find ourselves.
3 shops?
3 shops. 1, 3.
Okay, these 3 shops, 1, 2, and 3.
And they decided they would my labor for over 20 years. They want to end it in one day. True. They said Bible said that they came to kill, to steal, and to destroy. They are really the devil. They're the devil. But
you appear very resolute and confident. What is this about?
Well, this is not the first time I'm experiencing this kind of thing. You know,
in this same place?
No, not in this same place. When you are climbing at a stage, some people will just come from nowhere and bring one uselessly. This kind of country will find ourselves.
2.6 million goods that they brought for you yesterday. They wanted to come down. What if the man collected it?
But a few traders resort to scavenge the rubble with the hope of finding wares that are still sellable.
With the combined effort, we are able to prevent the fire from spreading. We are able to curtail it and we put out the fire. However, we are going to carry out holistic investigations about what causes it. We've been having series of meetings with the law enforcement. We've been having series of meetings with the executive. On our part, we will do everything that is humanly possible to ameliorate this impact on these people. We've done a comprehensive enumerations. We are going to apportion each shop to the owner. We will look at it holistically and we will give the good people updates.
That is the update. Thank you for having time to listen to this video. I am Okocha Happy myself. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, share my videos, and above all, always come for our daily updates. See you on my next video. Thank you.